Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I am so excited because I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest, most delicious, high protein cherry cheesecake yogurt pop. How does that sound? It's a great dessert all year round. You can have it. Why not? But as you notice, I'm in my tank top and I just came back from walking and I need a cool dessert. This is great because you can have it any time of day, of course. Why not? And the great thing is for the whole recipe, one smart point. So I'm going to show you, it's versatile, of course. I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm going to show you the container I have, but you can change it up. You can double the recipe, triple the recipe. All right. And if you're on WW, it's great because for the whole recipe, one smart point. And if you make it like I do, why not? You can just enjoy all of them. So I bought these really cheap containers at the dollar store because they're just cute and little. But if you have bigger ones, you can, like I said, double the recipe. You want a nice large one for 4 smart points, or you can just have little mini ones. My freezer is ridiculously packed, so smaller is better for me. And then I can have a few. You know, I always do stuff like that. I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell option so you'll get all my new videos by email. All my recipes are written underneath each video. And please share because sharing is caring, of course. All right. All right. Let's get started to make these delicious, high protein, low fat, no extra sugar added pops or whatever. We'll call them yogurt treats. I'll figure it out. Anyways, you are going to need, for my recipe, I'm going to take the spoon out, a half a cup of plain Greek zero fat yogurt, okay, plain. Now, again, it is versatile. You want to use other yogurts, you can. I bought this, it's our finest at Walmart, okay? But you can get yours at Costco or wherever you shop, all right? 0 smart points, half a cup. The other thing that is the main ingredient is you can choose, I'm making with the jello sugar-free lemon pudding, 1 tablespoon. That's it. Or if you want, because it is a cheesecake recipe, I just like the lemony flavor, you can use the cheesecake option as well, all right? Because it is cheesecake, but again, it tastes like cheesecake because the lemon is just as good as the plain cheesecake one. So 1 tablespoon. I took 6 cherries, medium-sized cherries, and I've just chopped them up, okay? You can chunk them up. Here, I'll bring it closer so you can see how big or how small. Sometimes people do put everything together and put it in the processor, but for those of you on WW, you know when you process the fruit, I don't like to process fruit. You can, but I like it a little bit chunky and it looks really pretty as well. All right. If you don't have fresh cherries, you can use frozen cherries. You could use jam if you wanted to, or another fruit, of course, or you can even use cherry sugar-free pie filling, but then you have to account for the smart points, all right? This way, it's 0, my friends. And 1 tablespoon of some fresh lemon juice, okay? Because, again, I like it lemony. You don't like it lemony, you don't have to add it, but it really gives some extra nice flavor. I'm just going to show you. So I just took my cherry and I'm just going to show you that I just cut it. I like to just make sure that it looks good inside and just cut it into little chunks. That's it. If you have a food processor, you can use a food processor. If you like it really small, you like them really big and chunky, you can do that. So I'm just going to add it. And I'm just going to take my tablespoon, my 1 tablespoon of the pudding mix. And it's so fast, it's so easy, and it's so delicious, which is my favorite word. So I'm just going to add the yogurt. I have a little tiny spatula because I don't like to waste anything. And then I'm just going to add my tablespoon of lemon juice. That's it. And then I'm going to add my cherries. So fast and easy. And then I'm just going to take a little spoon, mix it together, and it gets nice and thick. If you want it a little bit thinner, you could add a little bit of almond milk, but I like it nice and thick. And you're going to just add it to your container. All right, really easy. So you can just taste it. If you want a little bit more pudding mix, you can add a little bit more pudding mix. Honestly, it is so nice and thick. I just want to show you. It's nice and thick and delicious and rich tasting. And honestly, it's so low that you can eat the whole thing. All right. So we're just going to add it to my containers. Because I'm the only one eating it, I use my fingers, but you're just going to put it in. And what I like to do is, I'm going to just wipe my hands, is I usually, depending on how big your containers are, these are super tiny, is I like to take the bottom of the spoon and just push it through so that it just goes in. Okay? And I'm just going to add a little bit more and just push it in so that you can see. Don't drop it like I do. Push it all the way to the bottom. And then you're going to just add your lid and you're going to put it in the freezer. Dun, da, da, da. So I put it in the freezer for about 2 hours, and you're going to say, oh my God, it's stuck inside, okay? But don't worry. All you need to do is put on your tap under hot water. Unfortunately, my tap's over there, so I'm not going to show you. You have to trust me that all you have to do is put on your hot water and just run it for maybe 1 minute under both sides. And you're going to get, look how cute this is. Let me just show you. It's super cute and delicious. If you don't like it as hard, let it thaw out a little bit and enjoy it, okay? That's it. Super easy, fast, delicious. You can have it any time of day, after a workout. Nutritious, right? You can have it as a snack, a dessert. You can even make it for company, depending on what kind of mold you have. It would look super adorable. A kid's party. Honestly, anyone can enjoy these little pops. So that's it. It's the cherry cheesecake one. I'll be doing different ones, of course, to give you lots of ideas. And stay tuned. Don't forget, again, to subscribe, share, tell people. Of course, WW Peeps, anybody on a health journey can enjoy my tips, my recipes. All right. And of course, my group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Instagram, Risa's Piece 8. And my website, www.risaweiner.com. Hoping to do some online cookbooks for you guys that have been asking and asking. And that's it. So take care. Stay hydrated for the summer. Eat delicious yogurt pops that I make. And I love when you guys comment. Please comment. Please like. All right. And I love seeing your pictures of the things that I've made. It just warms my heart. All right. Take care. Enjoy. Bye for now.